2024 Toyota Corolla with less than 16,000 miles on the odometer. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input. Take home the car of your dreams today.